talking with new Honda premium scooter equipped with the latest generation technology, the all-new Honda Pcx scooter 125 cubic centimeters. First look. Honda Pcx 125 cubic centimeters is the best popular Honda motorcycle and most sold-out motorcycle in the world. In terms of maneuverability, the advantage of the Honda Pcx scooter motorcycle is that it is easy to ride even though it is a sit-in position, which is a negative factor, and that it has both a low seat height and a large capacity trunk. Even the first generation impressed me, but I am humbled by the evolution of each generation. So this motorcycle is still most popular bikes since appearance 2010. So for more details please watch my video above until the end, or please check Honda Motorcycle Web for clearly.